I wanted to do a quick video and share a tip on what to do for irritable bowel syndrome, as well as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, and any type of inflammatory problem you have in your bowels. And it's using turmeric. Now, this was demonstrated both in animal and human studies using about 2 grams per day. And the active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, okay? That's a special plant compound that is probably one of the most potent anti-inflammatory remedies found in nature. So you definitely want to use it if you have any type of bowel inflammation. It tends to inhibit 2 very powerful enzymes involved with inflammation. It'll help decrease pain and inflammation, similar to what aspirin and ibuprofen will do. And the mechanism is very similar to vitamin D. So you might even also want to add vitamin D if you have this. But turmeric is a very good thing because it's very effective and it has virtually no side effects. You can also increase the absorption 2 different ways. You take 1 tablespoon of curcumin powder and you mix it in with 1 to 2 eggs, okay, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And then you basically lightly fry this and you consume that because it'll actually emulsify within the protein. You can also take 1 tablespoon of curcumin powder in 1 quart of boiling water and boil it for 10 minutes, okay, and then let it cool off and drink it within 4 hours, and it'll actually dissolve into a solution that's very easy to digest in your body. All right, check it out, and thanks for watching. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.